Well, we begin tonight with breaking news. In the past 15 minutes, an independent panel of experts overwhelmingly voted in favor of recommending that the FDA authorize Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use. Thank you so much for joining us for Action News at 6. I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Alan Campbell. And tonight we also learned that Governor Gretchen Whitmer says that Michigan's fight to stop the spread of COVID-19 is moving in the right direction. Right now, every area of the state is seeing a slight decline in positive cases. Hospitalizations are also trending down in most of the state, with 19% of inpatient beds being occupied by COVID-19 patients.
But the brightest light comes from the possibility of a vaccine coming soon. Michigan is expecting about 84,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine by next weekend, and about 173,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine if approved.
Tonight's endorsement is big news for workers at Pfizer on the west side of the state, where our Simon Shakehat is and joins us live with the latest. Simon?
Workers here at Pfizer are describing the process of preparing millions of those COVID-19 vaccines, and also they're talking about what this work means to them personally.
Every day we fill the actual vials on a conveyor belt and they go straight into the filling lines.
For Pfizer employees Rochelle Whiting and Garrick Barnes, being part of a monumental life-saving operation to mass produce COVID-19 vaccines is the mission of a lifetime.
It brings a lot of pride, it really does, because we're trying to put life back to the way we know it.
Us doing our part to help our community. The community just isn't around Kalamazoo, it's like worldwide.
Workers here at the Pfizer facility's 1,300-acre sites have been working extra shifts and weekends. The moment FDA authorization is approved for emergency use, which could happen shortly, the company is ready to begin shipping out 2.9 million doses, with a second 2.9 million doses sent out 21 days later for a second round of shots.
We've gone from laboratory up to commercial scale.
Pfizer says their vaccine has shown a 95% success rate among patients after 3 phases of testing. They call it highly effective as a way to combat this devastating pandemic. The governor indicating 84,000 Pfizer vaccine doses are expected to be made available in Michigan as early as next week, part of a first shipment to hospital workers and people in senior care facilities. Also, 173,000 doses of Moderna vaccine expected as well.
These vaccines work by preparing your body to fight the real virus if it comes into contact with it.
I will continue to do my part to keep all of you informed. We will continue to follow a fact-based approach.
The governor says it could be early spring before the general public gets the vaccine. Pfizer's workforce up to the challenge of producing millions more vaccines to win this battle.
We've got tons of people that are working as hard as they can, 24/7, 365 days a year, to make sure that we get this out the door. I have absolute confidence in it. I'll be the first one to stand in line, as well as put my family first in line.
Workers also crediting the work of scientists for making this vaccine possible. Reporting live, Simon Shakehat, 7 Action News. Back to you.
And this is some very good news, not only for everyone here in Michigan, but for everyone across the country. Simon, thanks for that live report.